Welcome back. This is Pete again. This is explosion test day. This is November 29th, 4:48. I'm going to be demonstrating the homemade flashback arrestor on my welding machine. In the past video, I explained to you that the welding machine has exploded 2 times with the manufactured flashback arrestor. As I said before, hydrogen/oxygen does not mean mixed gas. On the left hand side is sodium hydroxide and distilled water. Right hand side is just regular tap water filling the space, because I'm not using an alternative gas to help the hydrogen cool down its flame, so I'm just using the pure hydrogen and oxygen that's coming out of the left hand side. I'll be removing the caps. I'll show you when I remove the caps. I'll be adding distilled water in both sides, topping off the chambers so it doesn't have as much space for the gas to fill it up and make an intense explosion if it fails. So I'll be demonstrating removing the caps, adding the distilled water. As you can see on the water side and on the coolant side, they both have a window. And you can see the level mark. I'll be bringing that level mark all the way up to the edge of the red. And on the coolant side that I have just water into it, I'll be bringing that up to the red mark also, so I don't have as much gas trapped inside the cylinders in case of flashback. Water side, coolant side. The coolant side could take gasoline or any flammable liquid to help the welder do welding. Right now I have just regular water. Now I'm going to remove the caps and add the distilled water. As you can see, the plastic film and the hole that the pressure will blow through, it will work under low pressure. This right here, you'll see it. It does work under low pressure. But with high pressure in the machine, it actually blows this cap apart. I personally experienced it, and I wouldn't recommend anybody to see this type of experience. It's scary. This side is the sodium hydroxide side and distilled water. Brand new container of distilled water, a gallon. I'm filling the coolant side right now. Gonna check the level. That side's good now. Now I'm going to be filling the side that holds the sodium hydroxide chemical. Check the level. This side would take a little bit more because it goes into the plates on the back side that makes the gas. So it's filling the chamber in the front and also the electrolyzer in the back. When you go low on water, you don't have to keep adding sodium hydroxide, you just add the water. And this is what it took. Always finger start these so you don't strip out the threads. Now you can see the level mark on the water side. That's the sodium hydroxide and distilled water level. Now the coolant side. Coolant side's a little bit high, as you can see, but that's just the water. It's not like you have a chemical in there. So that should be good. The coolant side's a little bit high, maybe you can get a little bit of moisture, but for our test, that'll be adequate. Now we're going to plug it in with these caps on. Let it warm up because it's cold in Michigan today. We're about in the upper 40s. I want this to warm up all the way before we do the test.